All right. So what we're going to do here is just really quickly talk about Classroom. Okay. So Google Classroom, we're going to start. There's going to be hopefully two, maybe three videos. First, you need to be able to get to Classroom. One way is right up here. There is these 9 dots. If you can see my cursor moving, you click on that and you can click Classroom. A lot of you have it down in this bar down here. You have the same symbol for Classroom. You can click on it there. You can just type in Classroom. You can bookmark it. You can do however you get there. You get to Classroom that looks like this. And so this is a test students account, so we have a test class. Okay, first things first, I don't want to go into the class. These 3 bars often, you don't look at them, but there's a lot of goodies in here. First, this one always gets you back to the tile view that we are on. This Google Calendar will take you to Google Calendar, and every assignment posted by a teacher will show up there. If you're a person who likes calendars, email me and I will get in touch with you or make you a video for Google Calendar. We're not going to pop out and go do that. The one that's really cool for me, and as a student, I would be using this all the time, is this to-do list. As long as most of your teachers are using Classroom, now literally what you have is you hit to-do, and you notice up here it says for all your classes, and it says these are the missing assignments or the assignments that are late. This assignment's due on Tuesday. This assignment's due on April 16th. You can also click up here and click and see which ones are done. If we wanted, you can see all your classes, or you can pick an individual. I only have one class, so you pick test class, and this is all my assignments in test class, obviously. But if you wanted them all together, you can, and you can see what you want to do. If you want to go to one of those assignments, you got a link. You just click on it, and now you have what you want in the class, right? So that's the assignment, and it shows you can click to turn it in. One real big distinction here is when it's late, you turn it in, um, and when it's assigned, you mark as done. It's a really interesting idea, and you can see this one, you're going to the assignment, you have to open this up. There would be other directions. You could leave a comment on the assignment. So really, as a student, you don't have to go into Classroom if you just want to work by this and go class by class by class through your assignments. Okay, that's first thing. Second thing is settings. So these settings is you can get email notifications. If you have a smartphone, I would leverage your smartphone during this time because it will help you keep track of what's going on. So you can receive email notifications. So if you put your school email on your phone, you'll get emails from Classroom to your school email. We'll get to another part that would even make it easier where you get notified twice. All these things down here basically are saying, I want email notifications for when these things happen. You can click them on and off over here. Okay, so if you click it off, or you can click it on, and you can see it's saving it every single time. The two that I would put on there would be work and other posts from teachers. So whenever a teacher posts something to the class, you would get an email. You want that one on. Due date reminders for your work, you want that one on for sure. So those two would mean you would get reminders. This bottom thing here, let me move myself so you can see. This bottom thing here is email and mobile notifications. So if you have a smartphone, if you don't, it's not a big deal. You can just turn on here and set up your daily routine of every morning or whenever you get up, check your email. You'll get notifications of the posts that are in Classroom. Then go to Classroom, check your to-do list. When you're down here, this would turn on and off emails and mobile notifications to a class. So like if I don't want anything from test class, I could turn it off. But if you keep that on, you're going to get mobile notifications as well. So you'll get a little bing that says in Classroom so-and-so posted that. Okay, that's all I wanted to say today is remember, to-do lists, settings for notifications. And the last part about anything with Classroom is if you leave a tab open like up here, like this, and you close the Chromebook down and then you open it again and log in, you must hit this little curly refresh arrow because Classroom has a really interesting problem where it won't refresh automatically all the time. It takes some time to do that. So if you get on, you won't see new posts necessarily. So if you're getting in arguments with people saying there's an assignment posted. No, there's not. You have to hit this. Okay? Hit this refresh arrow. All right, that's my quick video for now. See you later.